Okay, good day everyone. So we have a Asus G Strix G series. This is Asus ROG G531G series. So the problem of this one is excessive heat. For when rendering, the temperature rises around 90 degrees Celsius, and you can hear the fan spins very fast and very loud. So which means this laptop needs to be cleaned. And as for the customer, this was already 5 years. He's been using this for 5 years and never been cleaned. So this needs some maintenance. So when opening this one, make sure those screws are located in a same place where you remove them. Asus screws are not similar for all its locations, so take note of its location when you are removing them and make sure to put it on the right place. So yeah, that is true for all Asus model. Their screws are not similar, or the screw lengths are not similar for every screw hole. So this one, the two bottom is non-removable. It has a lock. Yeah, so we need to pry this one. So my nail is my pry tool for now. I can't find my color blue pry tool plastic opener. Okay, so the left side is not opening yet. We can't do some too much force. The plastic lock might damage or might be broken. Okay, so gently pry this one. Okay, this is what I'm telling you about. We have a two ribbon for backlight or for RGB colors. So make sure to be gentle, not to damage that. Okay, we're inside, and as usual, disconnect the battery. That's always the SOP or the standard procedure. Always disconnect the battery when doing something inside the laptop. Okay, I'll just fast forward the video to access our pan and rethermal pasting. Okay, we have the access to our pan. So my assumption is correct. The pan seems to be full of dust. There are a lot of dirt inside. Accumulation of dust that blocks the air circulation. And let's try to look for the other pan. Let's check this one. So it's also been stick with this sticker. Okay, Let's check. Okay, let me get those pans and show you. See, there's a lot of accumulated dust that blocks the air vents or the heat pipes of this laptop. So that's why the airflow is not in good condition. Let's check the heatsink. I'll just fast forward it for now. Okay, so the screws are out and we have pulled the heatsink. Let me show you what I mean. See, the air vents are now blocked by this dust accumulation. That's why the temperature of this laptop when rendering exceeds or very high, around 90 degrees, as per the owner's thermal monitoring. So this is our heatsink and we will clean it here so you can see what I mean. How many or how big is this dust accumulation gets. So this one, as you can see, it almost builds up from the start of the pipe until its very end, and it's quite thick. So yeah, we need to clean this one. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time watching this cleaning, so I might put it in a fast forward mode. Okay, so after a while the pan is clean, as you can see, no more dirt on it compared to previous one, and the vents are now clean. You can see it was good now, and this time we need to remove this hardened thermal paste. Okay, so we need to clean this one and make sure no old residue, and we will put a new thermal paste on this one. Okay, this one is now clean also. As you can see, we remove all the air ducts or the vents, so the airflow will now go here, and when circulate it will go around here, and then it will not spread inside the board. so there's no uh, pan spin or loud pan spin noise you can hear. And recently you saw that I've cleaned the GPU and the processor. I removed all the residue of the hardened thermal paste. I will now put a new thermal paste on it. Okay, let's do it. So yeah, I just put a little one here and little here. So it depends upon to you if you put a lot or if you put a little. As long as the contacts for the heatsink and the processor will have a smooth connection. So it depends upon to you how much you apply. Okay, so let's put it again in a fast forward mode. Okay, that's it. So we need to put back all the screws. So as I mentioned earlier from the start of this video, make sure to put the correct screws for each hole. Do not interchange the screw for each screw holes. Take note again for the beginners, it's not on the same length on each location. Make sure to mark or remember where you pull them and where you will put them, so that make sure that you won't put a screw hole mark on the palm rest because it will uh, pass through to the palm rest of your laptop. Okay, everything seems to be fine. The locks are now intact. No more open or unsealed location. So let's try this one. Okay, let's check. Okay, we see have a light and it's now powering on. This sums up our video. If you experience also a too much excessive fan noise and too much heat on your laptop, this might be a solution. So if you like this video, just like and give us a thumbs up and comment down below. And I hope I earn your subscription even I wasted your time watching this. Thank you. Bye bye.